has been a big showdown over namaz that took place inside a Pune Shivaji era fort. On camera, namaz took place inside the Shaniwar Wada. Now, Shaniwar Wada, in fact, is a fort in Pune. It is the BJP MP who is now holding a protest and is purifying the fort after namaz took place. Purification ritual after namaz was offered inside this fort. Now, this is an iconic Maratha fort which has been purified after women offered namaz. The Maharashtra minister is now saying, will Hindus be allowed to pray inside Haji Ali? So this is a big question which is now being asked by the BJP. Sena MP, in fact, has hit back saying that now they will give back a befitting response.
शनिवार वाड़ा को एक इतिहास है। शनिवार वाड़ा में हमारा इतिहास और हमारे शौर्य का प्रतीक है वो शनिवार वाड़ा। हिंदू समाज के बहुत दिल के करीब है वो शनिवार वाड़ा। अगर इतना ही अगर तुमको उधर नमाज पढ़ना है तो फिर कल हमारी हिंदुत्व संगठन जाके हाजी अली के बाहर खड़े रहे और वहां हनुमान चालीसा का पठन चालू करेगा तो चलेगा क्या? तब तुम लोग की भावना दुखेगी नहीं। तुमको वहां ही नमाज पढ़ना है, फिर मस्जिद में क्या करते हैं? मस्जिद में क्या क्या रखा रहता है? फिर जिसको जहां प्रार्थना करने के लिए जगह दी है उसने वहां करना चाहिए। फिर अगर हमारे हिंदुत्व कार्यकर्ताओं ने जाके वहां अगर आवाज उठाया ना तो सही किया है ना, वरना कल फिर हाजी अली के बाद अगर जोरदार हनुमान चालीसा बोली जाएगी, हमारी महाआरती की जाएगी तो फिर कोई आवाज नहीं निकलनी चाहिए, हरी मिर्ची नहीं लगनी उनकी। फिर
एक आदमी पूजा कर रहा है, नमाज पढ़ रहा है, उसके साथ इस तरह की बदतमीजी जो हो रही है बीजेपी की ना, मैं समझता हूँ ये बर्दाश्त करने के काबिल नहीं है। आप अरब कंट्रीज़ में जाते हैं लोग, वहाँ भी मंदिर बन रही है, वहाँ पूजा हो रही है, कोई मना नहीं कर रहा है। वो लोग जो अंग्रेज़ों की दलाली करते थे, तलवे चाटते थे, वो बड़े अफसोस के साथ आज वो सत्ता में बैठे हुए हैं और मुसलमानों के साथ ये जुल्म करेंगे। इंतजार करो, इसका बदला मिलेगा उनको।
मेधा कुलकर्णी यांनी नेहमीप्रमाणे जी नाटके केली त्याच्यावर त्यांना तातडीने त्यांच्यावरच हिंदू मुस्लिममध्ये तेढ निर्माण करणे, पुणे शहरातील सामाजिक वातावरण बिघडवणे याच्यासाठी गुन्हा दाखल करणं गरजेचं आहे। आमच्या पुण्यामध्ये हिंदू मुस्लिम अत्यंत गोविंदाने आनंदाने भाई भाई करत राहतात। जाणीवपूर्वक अशा काही खासदार मेधाताई आहेत की त्यांना ते वातावरण बिघडवायचं असतं, ते त्यांची कर्तव्य खासदाराची घेतलेली शपथ विसरून मुद्दामून दर्गा असेल, मंदिरं असतील इथले विषय काढणार आणि पुण्याची परिस्थिती वातावरण खराब करण्याचं काम खासदार मेधा कुलकर्णी करतात।
My colleague Omkar Wable is now joining me on the story. Omkar, from what we can see, the visuals are out there. We are seeing how protests are being held. Purification of the fort, in fact, is being done after namaz was offered.
Exactly. Some Muslim women, they were offering namaz in the premises of Shaniwar Wada. So there is a lawn inside Shaniwar Wada where they were offering the prayer. And after video went viral on the social media, this Hindu Sangathan along with Rajya Sabha MP Medha Kulkarni, they went to the place and started the purification of the spot. Because Medha Kulkarni and the Hindu Samaj is claiming the monument Shaniwar Wada is a sign and sign of a victory, and it is an like idol for the Hinduism. Peshwas used to celebrate Maghi Ganesh festival in the same premises, so it is very sacred place for all the Hindus, and so Muslim community cannot do like this. They are trying to hurt our sentiments, and that is how the controversy erupted. But actually, when the controversy started, because political ally of BJP, Ajit Pawar NCP, they refused all these things. Interestingly, a spokesperson from the Ajit Pawar's party, they said BJP MP Medha Kulkarni is trying to disturb law and order in Pune, especially when the Muslim community and Hindu community, they all are safe and they all are trying to be together in the Pune. So there are no law and order issues, but still BJP is trying to fire this controversy. So now, when Abu Azmi is entering in this controversy, he's saying they were just offering namaz and how Hindu community tried to disturb them. But now Hindu community, especially some Hindu Sangh organizations and BJP leaders, they are firm on their decisions, and they are like, in upcoming time, we will not allow any Muslim person to enter in the Shaniwar Wada, and we will not allow them to offer any kind of prayers in the premises of Shaniwar Wada, because the Shaniwar Wada, which reflects and which claims it is a history of the Hindu who and the Peshwas.
Right, Omkar, we are seeing how the BJP now is pointing fingers and they are saying that will Hindus be allowed to pray inside Haji Ali, which is situated in Mumbai? So counter questions are now being asked by the BJP.
Exactly, like people like Nitesh Rane, also the Rajya Sabha member Medha Kulkarni, they're trying to hit all those things. They all are claiming we will not allow this community to offer this kind of prayers inside Hindu monuments. As Nitesh Rane said, if the Muslim community is going to offer prayer in this kind of premises, then what if we will start chanting Gita Pathan or Vishnu Puran in front of the Haji Ali or somewhere else where the prayer sessions, or we can say with the places like of the Muslim community, we can go there, and what if we start chanting a Hindu Gita Pathan and everything over there? So controversies erupted, but interestingly, political ally of BJP is not supporting all this controversy.
Right, thank you, Omkar, giving us all those details. News that was coming in from the city of Pune.